Once, only trained professionals could record moving images. However, this has changed dramatically in the past few years. Now, anyone can get a camera and start making videos right away. In the fast-changing world of technology we live in today, you no longer need special training or experience to record a video. Today's cameras come with everything you need to record videos. At this point, all you need is a camera and a place to record to make a video and put it on YouTube. The most interesting thing about these cameras is that they can record very high quality and are relatively cheaper in price. Let's go through this list. Number 1. A Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera. In terms of video quality, this Canon camera checks all the right boxes. It not only lets you record in full HD, but it also has features that let you record videos in lower quality if you want them to look more real. On top of that, it has a lot of cutting-edge technology built right in. For example, it comes with a great image processor called DIGIC 4+, which does a great job even when there isn't much light. The built-in Wi-Fi makes it easy to send videos to other devices without a cable. Because it works with Canon's app, you can use your phone to control the camera and to take pictures without having to pull out your computer. Since you can see what the lens is picking up on your phone, you can frame your shot while you're still in front of the camera. Number 2. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a digital single-lens reflex camera with a full-frame sensor. This professional top-of-the-line camera from Canon takes 4K videos that are very clear, bright, and perfect in every way. This makes sure that the videos you record are just as good as those in commercials and full-length movies. You can be sure that the quality will not be affected in any way if you plan to shoot outside or at night. This is true no matter what. 4K is of course the best level of video you can record. It also lets you shoot in full HD at up to 60 frames per second and in HD at up to 120 frames per second. This camera already has a memory card from SanDisk put in it. You can have access to 128 gigabytes of storage space, and both the transfer speed and the speed at which you can take a picture are very fast. The beauty of the camera matches the beauty of the videos it records. It has a modern design that saves space and folds up into a small footprint, making it easy to store. The device is also easy to use because it has a touchscreen user interface. Number 3. A digital camera that looks like the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. This Canon camera has a reasonable price and is used by a number of YouTubers, including Tiara J, who is a beauty and lifestyle vlogger. Simply put, it takes photos and videos of a very high quality, which makes it one of the most popular choices on the market today, even though it's not very expensive. In terms of features, it has a 1080p video quality and an optical resolution sensor with 20.1 megapixels. It also has a 4.2x optical zoom. If you plan to do most of your shooting at home or in your studio, you won't need any extra features to make your photos and videos look like they were taken by a pro. Using the touchscreen doesn't require any skills or knowledge, which is a plus for people who have never made a video for YouTube before. Another good thing about this camera is that it comes with a lot of useful extras. This can help people who are just starting out in photography save a lot of money. A lens cleaner, 2 memory cards, a carrying case, and a tripod are all included. There are a lot of other little extras as well. Number 4. The GoPro Hero 4 Silver is a cheap way to record videos for YouTube. GoPro is a brand name that is known for making very high-quality cameras that can record video. The only problem with GoPro products is that they don't have touch technology. By giving customers the option to use a touchscreen, the company has taken customer convenience and ease of use to a whole new level. The GoPro Hero 4 Silver for cheap YouTube filming is the company's first camera with a built-in touchscreen. This means that users can do more with the camera in less time, making it perfect for times when time is of the essence. Number 5. Digital single lens reflex camera Canon EOS Rebel T6. The Canon EOS Rebel T6 DSLR camera is another great camera made by Canon. It can both record video and take still photos. It has all the features you'd expect to find on a high-quality camera, especially one made by one of the most well-known companies in the business. Plus, if you want a fast camera with good quality and a lot of detail, this one has the DIGIC 4 Plus image processor and an 18 CMOS sensor. It also has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, which makes it easy to share photos and videos with other people. Along with an EFS 18 to 55mm f3.5 to 5.6 IS2 lens and an EF 75 to 300mm f4 to 5.63 lens, the package comes with a number of filter options. Number 6. Compact System Camera Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. Canon again. The Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II is another great camera that comes in a small, stylish package and has all the features that photographers want. This camera is very portable because of how small it is. You can take it with you wherever your YouTube channel takes you, like on vacations, family trips, and other adventures. Do you want to be able to make high-quality videos even though there isn't much light? This camera will meet all of your photography needs because it has a 1-inch CMOS sensor with 20.1 megapixels and a DIGIC 7 processor. Plus, it can record videos in ultra-high definition because it has a 1080p resolution and stereo sound. Number 7. Canon EOS Rebel T6i Digital SLR. The Canon EOS Rebel T6i Digital SLR is one of the best cameras on the market right now because it can take both professional quality photos and videos. When you're filming in many different places and situations, having a camera with the latest technology will not only make sure that the footage you get is of the highest quality, but it will also make your life a lot easier. The camera has a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and a movie mode that lets you make professional HD MP4 videos. Both of these things contribute to the camera's high image quality. Because it has a 19-point all-cross type autofocus system, you don't have to change the focus or lighting by hand. The camera does both of these things on its own. Number 8. Ritz Camera has a Canon EOS Rebel T6i SLR camera with 24.2 megapixels. The Ritz camera is this. The Canon EOS Rebel T6i 24.2 megapixel SLR camera is a great piece of gear in every way, and it works just as well for taking pictures as it does for making videos. This camera is one of the most popular ones on the market right now, and photography fans and professionals all over the world choose it as their camera of choice. It has a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor, which lets you take natural-looking photos that are clear and sharp. When you're making a video, advanced autofocus will help you focus quickly and accurately so you can get the most out of your footage. This camera also has Wi-Fi and NFC connections built right in. This makes it easy to send photos and videos you take to other devices. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to hit like and subscribe to this channel. Also, turn on the notifications bell icon so you know exactly when we post our next amazing video.